In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay refund pending too long. First, check your wallet app in your bank or card account to confirm the refund is still pending. Many refunds can take several business days, sometimes up to a week or more, depending on your bank or card issuer. Next, contact the merchant to verify that the refund was actually processed and request details such as the transaction date, amount, and confirmation number. If the refund still hasn't posted after several days, contact your bank or card issuer to trace the refund and ensure it's being applied to the correct account. You can also restart your device and make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is updated to the latest iOS or watchOS version to fix any display issues in the wallet app. So that's it.